Hey guys, and welcome back to Sketchbook Sunday. It's been a month since I last got to do I was certainly allowed to do digital art and stuff whenever I wanted, but I wanted my channel to be like Inktober themed for October. So yeah, definitely it was pretty nice to go back to some digital media and stuff. And I've been playing Yooka Laylee a lot. I heard it got like bad reviews, so I didn't get into it right away, but like I just don't have any games to play right now, so I just went and like looked up reviews, and I don't know, it seems like the perfect game for me. Like that's the type of stuff I grew up on, and like I probably like it a lot because of, you know, nostalgia and stuff. But that's okay. It's definitely a really fun, like charming, relaxing, not so crazy game. I like that the worlds are big and like there's lots of collectibles. I don't know, I just like that stuff. So yeah, I just wanted to do a little Yooka Laylee fan art. And yeah, colors, man. Haven't done colors in a little bit. It's quite nice. Yeah, we're back to the little smaller voiceovers for the Sunday videos. And I think for the Wednesday ones, I'm gonna continue to like put effort into them and stuff, just because I feel like my videos definitely turned out better because of the more interesting voiceover. So yeah, I guess look forward to that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this regular old episode of Inktober, and like maybe I'll do some themed challenge in like December or something, although I don't really feel like doing Christmas art for a month. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday.